This is the ultimate prize in automotive history. A completely original, untouched. And she's ours. Every single line of this classic is recorded. Ultrasonic scans reveal hidden structural issues. Only then can the true planning begin. Deep preservation cleaning now begins. Dry ice blasting safely lifts decades of grease. Controlled disassembly reveals the true baseline. Technicians continue the controlled disassembly. The original engine is placed on a dedicated stand. The body is separated from the chassis. The heart of the E-Type is lowered in. Technicians secure mounts and connect the original lines. The straight six roars back to life. The restored body shell is lowered. Engineers secure it to the chassis. Every panel must align perfectly, meeting original. The original interior layout is meticulously restored. Robotic sanding equipment ensures a flawlessly smooth finish. He moves to the paint studio. A flawless coat of British racing green. Every fluid is carefully filled. The iconic straight six roars back to life, settle into a perfect.
Oil pressure is holding perfectly.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो एक लाइक, एक कमेंट और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आपका एक क्लिक हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मिलते हैं अगली अमेजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के साथ।